Hi, welcome to my channel Science and Vigyan. Today I will tell you something different. As we know, nowadays we are in again lockdown. I can say that it is anniversary of coronavirus again, like because it is a second wave. So this time is very crucial, so you need to take care of your diet. It's all about your immunity. We know that we need to enhance our immunity, and there are certain rules and nomenclature by which you can enhance it. So today I wanted to discuss diet chart. You know what is a diet chart? As the name suggests, it is a combination of two words. Wait, I will highlight it. Yes. It is a combination of two words, diet plus chart. Diet mean whatever we take throughout the day. That is our diet chart. Like if we start from the morning, in the morning we take breakfast, then it is a snack time. No, then it's the lunch, then snacks time, then the dinner. And in that, you need to have certain type of components which enhance your immunity. Uh, when we start a day, we need to start from the breakfast. In that, we need to take a high calorie diet. Like it depends upon the age group also. Like if you are maintaining the diet of the small kid, they want to have high calorie diet. So it's depend upon the age group also. Today I just wanted to tell you about what is this diet chart, and what is like all the component we need to take care, what are the basic component. As we know, as the science person, I know what are the basic component. I will discuss in detail. Before proceeding that, please to subscribe it, subscribe my channel. As I mentioned a number of times, subscribe it, and don't forget to like and share videos if you really like to watch these videos in the future also. I think before proceeding it, I need to okay. Okay, this is all about diet chart. What is the diet chart? Mm, okay, what? Okay, I have pressed it. Erase it now. Sorry. Even Zoom is also modified nowadays. So some things even I don't know. Okay, I close it. Okay. I don't want to go in detail of Zoom because today I'm just here to discuss about the diet chart. First of all, what is the diet chart is? Diet chart is basically guidelines of what you should and should not eat any component. You know what are the basic component of our diet? That are all about the biomolecules. You know what are the biomolecules? Biomolecule is a combination two word bio plus molecule. Fine. In that there is a certain classes of these biomolecule: carbohydrate, lipids, fat, minerals, vitamins. There are seven classes of this biomolecule. If you wanted to know about this biomolecule in detail, please do mention in the comment box. And a wide range of disorder in the body can originate from making the wrong choices with respect to food. As we know that if you are stick to junk food, not healthy food, unhygienic food, ultimately you will develop disorder or disease on the long run. So we should take care of our diet. What is all of this? What is this diet chart is? You can see I have mentioned the two figures. In the first, it's mentioned like fruits, vegetable, bread, cereals, potatoes, milk, dairy, then the fat butters, and the meat, fish, others. Now come to the first one, bread, cereals, and the potato. It's all about the carbohydrate. We know what is the carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is a monosaccharide, disaccharide, and polysaccharide. And if you are supposed to make the diet chart of the old person, so you should take care of their carbohydrate as a polysaccharide, because for that they release less amount of energy on the long run. So potato is an excellent choice for the age a old group also and the small one also. Now come to the next point, bread and cereals. Bread contains a carbohydrate, as we know, it is a rich source of energy. Now come to the next point, fruits and vegetables. They contain excellent number of vitamins. We know if we like to enhance our immunity, we want to have vitamin C, vitamin A. It's all about their present in the citrus fruit. We know that vitamin C is a rich source of vitamin C. Citrus food is a rich source of vitamins. So we should stick to the fruits and vegetables. Don't take the bread and the cereals all the time, or you're supposed to feed the biscuits to your kid as they like. No, it's not about that. Liking or the disliking, that is something else. But nowadays we need to enhance our immunity. For that, you have to give them milk and the dairy product because they contains calcium, phosphorus. If our body is built up as a strong, at that case you are supposed to enhance their immunity as well. Like here I have mentioned, just it is the diabetic diet chart. As we know, it is the nowadays out of 10 persons, 1 person is suffered by this disease. It's all about the diet. When you are not supposed to follow your diet chart, you are just take all the junk food, like whatever you like, you take it on the continuous mode, that develops a diabetic. Now, advantages of the diet chart is all about you. You have to follow certain rules and the norms or the guidelines by which you are supposed to take your meal, so your breakfast, then the lunch, then the dinner or the snacks, whatever you take throughout the day. It's all about, and this is an excellent choice of this diet chart. Fine, because if you're not supposed to take your component, all the nutrient in a optimum quantity, ultimately on a one day you develop any disorder or the disease on the long term, as I already mentioned. Fine. Now, in the next video, I would like to describe the diet chart of the corona patient, especially because I have received number of requests regarding this. The people wanted to discuss on it. We will discuss on that. I like wanted to plan this live session on the same, like what type of component, what type of ingredient or the herbs we should take care while planning the diet chart of the corona patient. Fine, it's all about the diet chart, and it is a prelim, or I can say that is the ABC of the diet chart. Fine, in detail I would like to describe in the future if you want to. Fine. Okay, it's all about. Thank you so much. These are all the reference. If you want to follow it in the future, you can. Fine. It's not force. Like no one is force anyone.